Good morning, or actually, yeah, good morning, I would say. Made it to the first test session with the wastegate and all these other fixes that I've done to GLD. That's pretty much the only spot I got in the area. Sorry, it's really loud, but there's some people driving already. So I did pass the tech, which is typical. The next thing is to go do some warm-up laps and see how it comes on boost and how the power comes in. I have only one set of tires, so we're not gonna be able to do much today, but hey, gotta try something. First test. I really wanted to do the first test a long time ago, never had time, so yeah, it's on Sunday. Let's get it done.
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
This was bad. That was really bad.
Something.
This is not good. Something's down there.
Yep.
And he needs to see what happened. Something weird happened to it, but I don't know.
And well, this is not a good sight. That's not the problem. I did two first runs, and on the second run, I snapped a diff bolt. Yeah, that bolt over there. And the bolt is actually extracted right here too. One of the tools. So that virtually snapped, and now I don't have a spare one. So that really blows. Chassis got a little hurt. It's never easy. It never works the way it should. Well, I guess we're gonna have to call this it. Yeah, that's it.
You do.
So this is our problem right there. Bolt is visible because it's broken in there. I've removed part of the bushing. ECS bushings come in 2 pieces, so I did remove that just to get a better view. And I'm gonna try to remove this bolt right there without actually taking all of the diff. It's gonna be a challenge. I've drilled a hole inside that bolt over there. Yeah, I kinda can't focus on it. Let's see if my extractor I'm planning to put in there will do anything. Let's get this in here. Come on. It's moving.
Looks like it.
Hell yeah.
No, it's not.
No?
No.
Stopped?
Yeah, it stopped.
And the bolt is out. Diff is still in. Our broken piece. Perfect. Or not. Cry. I'm like ready to cry right now. That was kind of, yeah. And so I was able to find a solution here. Bushing, bolt, nut. Why? Because we have a bolt going through. Those bolts are custom because they had to be kind of cut over here, especially that there is really no room. And I did not want to trim anything from the diff itself just to keep it as strong as possible. So you have a bolt coming through here, on the other side, mounted right here, and we're good to go. So this is what the bolt looks like. It's a 10.9 hardness, so this should be tough as hell. And this is what it looks like basically. A little bit grinded, just to fit perfectly. And of course I had to chop my finger too, why not? Typical. But it works, and I got 2 of them ready for this size of a drill bit. In order, if I have to modify the spare differential that is in the trailer right now, that will work.